12 to 15 million dollars is the estimated yearly earning. What's good up, guys? So in this video today we are going to be understanding some of the really coolest things, and that will be done without showing your face. That is, we are going to be knowing about a channel that you can actually start and you can run the whole channel without showing your own face. So I am right now in my YouTube section and I have written triple S, that is SS Sniper Wolf, and I think we all know her. She is an awesome content creator and she has got near about 26.7 million subscribers, and that is pretty cool. So now what we are going to do is we are going to understand that what type of content actually Sniper Wolf right now makes. So we can easily see that she actually does a reaction channel kind of thing. That is, she reacts. So we have seen this TikTok thing that has gone really viral. So she is actually she's actually reacting to all of that, and it's pretty simple. So let's understand that what is the thing, what type of videos she's making, and how she's getting so much views, and how she's actually following her own thing and following her own passion. Let's go. So I am in Social Blade right now, and on Social Blade we will be able to see the estimated analytical result of Sniper Wolf. Now, of double S Sniper Wolf, here it is. It's the Okay, so here is subscriber is 26.7 million, and she has done near about 2,643 uploads. That is, she's been uploading every single day. Not just that, we are going to see the Social Blade rank, that is 60th, and the number subscriber rank is 124th. That's pretty good. It's the 42nd channel on US probably. Yes, it's the 42nd channel on US probably, and it's quite good. So we can see that she has got near about 600k subscribers since the last month, and she has got 647.343 million views on last 30 days. Now let's talk about the revenue also. So we can see an estimated monthly earning of near about 161.8k to 2.6 million. So we can assume that she makes $1 million every single month. And that's an assumption that we can take for a safe side. So now what you're going to do is the yearly earning is near about 12 to 15 million dollars is the estimated yearly earning. Now what we can see is very simple. It's quite simple because we can see the daily average is near about 21,578. That is, Sniper Wolf gets near about 21 million views every single day, and that's pretty good. So she makes, okay, people are also curious to know about the monthly or yearly. So here is your daily earning for you. So she makes near about 60 to 70k each and every day. It's an estimated earning that we can all say. Now, how you can actually do something like these. Now, I very much understand that you don't want to show your own face, but you want to make something like these. Can it be done? Can this thing be yours if you have a passion like Sniper Wolf has to do some things like these? Do you have any option so that you can actually do these things and you can easily work on your things and you can follow your passion? Is there any way? Absolutely, there is actually a way. So I am gonna show you up how you can easily be able to do like these videos that Sniper Wolf has actually done. The best way to do something like these, I have a recommendation for you. So we can see she's doing these reaction based things. So you can do one simple thing. You can take the videos and you can easily react to it. You need an example? Here is an example for you. The name of the channel that I am talking about is known as Top Things. So Top Thing has 1 million subscribers right now. What Top Thing does is pretty simple. So it's pretty simple because what this person is doing is commenting onto this videos and then monetizing the whole thing. And after that, whenever you see videos, and you can see then an ad is being promoted right now, and we can see an ad. So what happens is very simple. So it is monetized. So let me show you the skip the video and let me show you the type of content that the person is doing. So here is the commentary section. So it's being clearly given that this person is doing commentary and he or she might have written the script, and after that he or she, probably it's a person, it's a male that is doing all the commentary, and after that the video has been published easily, quite easily. Now, so we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we can see near about 10. We can see 10 commentary that are being done. So it's quite easy to do, and you can easily try these things, and you don't need to do much effort. You don't need to put in much effort to do something like these. So what you need to do is pretty simple. You just need to copy. I'm just going to copy this thing up for you. And after that, I am going to go up and I am going to write top things so that we get to know about the what is the status of these kind of videos, because both of them because both of them are kind of similar. On one side, on Sniper Wolf, she is showing her face, but on top things the person is not showing his or her face. Okay, so both of them are kind of on the same niche, but we can easily understand one thing, that one is with face, another with is without face, that is no face creator, we can say. Okay, so now we can see the type of videos. See, this is a very plain and simple video that is being played, and some things, all these animations that the person is doing. So now what you can exactly do is very simple. Here is top things page. We can see on the Social Blade analytical platform. So here is the logo or icon or profile picture, whatever you want to say, you can easily say. So this person is making near about $372 to 6K every month. And if we talk about the subscribers, this person has made 14K subscribers each and every single month, and that is quite good, and that is quite great actually. So the views that this person has got, that top things has got, is near about 1 million, that is 1.488 million on last 30 days. Now let's talk about the yearly earnings. So this kind of fees without fees channel is making near about 71.4. So if we assume a middle ground, we can easily assume that this channel is making near about 50 to 20K each and every year, and that's pretty good. That's pretty good for a channel that you can start and you can actually monetize without showing your own face. Isn't that pretty good? Yes, absolutely. It's a dynamic process that you can easily try, so that if you have a passion for commenting, or if you want to give your own opinion to some form of content or videos, you can actually do that. So now we can see a daily average of 49,000 views every single day, and this channel makes near about 12 to 198. So this channel makes about 50 to $60 every single day, and that is pretty good, we can say. Now here comes the Sniper Wolf channel, and here is the Top Things channel. Guys, I hope that you have liked the whole video, and if you have any question, you can easily ask me on the comment section below, and you will be able to know that what is the thing that you can actually try and you can actually do. So these kind of channel can be started because these are no face channel and you don't have to show your own face. And the best thing of all is that you don't need to be in front of camera. So if you're a camera phobic person, or if you don't want to come in front of camera with all that makeups on, or if you don't want to invest so much money onto lighting and all that stuff, you can do some things like these. And don't worry about anything, just be yourself, do one thing at a time, and give 1000% to the thing that you love. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. That was all for today. See you again on another video with some really pumped up video that is been coming on Wednesday, and see you again on another video. Bye for now. Bye.